This is integrated 1, video number 4, trying to determine if, find a specific number that is in the sequence given the location of it. All right, so let's go through the process here. In order to do this, we do need to know what the common difference is. So again, you've been getting more and more and more practice. If we take a look at this, it looks like the common difference is going to be minus 12. Since this is shrinking, you do want to make sure that it works the entire time. The 0th term, which would be whatever's in front of the 124, remember we would add the 12, so it looks like the number that's going to be in front is 136. Then we want to write the T of n equation. So I'll review from previous videos. Go ahead and plug in what we got for the common difference, and then plug in what we got for the 0th term. Now from here, what you are trying to do, if we're trying to find a specific term, if you want to find a specific term, that is going to be an n value. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug in n equals 56. So I'm going to go to this equation, and everywhere I see an n, I'm going to plug a 56 in its place. And then take this opportunity and drop everything else down. So drop down the common difference, drop down the 0th term, and then drop down the rest of the notation as well. So we need the equal sign and the t. Now we know that the left-hand side t of 56 is just notation, so we're not going to do anything with that. And at this point, we grab our calculator, use the calculator that I gave you on our class in Schoology, so you can type this in all at once. And then when we type this in, it looks like we're going to get negative 536. So basically what this is saying is in the sequence, the 56th term, so it's in that spot, the 56th term is negative 536. So negative 536 is an actual value within the sequence. Okay, we'll go through and do the exact same thing on this one. So we take a look at the common difference. It looks like the common difference is going to be plus 8. If you need review on this, make sure that you went back and take a look at the previous videos. Then we know to find the 0th term that would be in front, we would minus the 8, so that's going to give us negative 23. And then from here, we're going to write our T of n equation. Again, just review from previous stuff that we've already done. And then make sure that you plug all the values into the appropriate locations. Okay, now going back to this, we want to find the 13th term. So in this case, we are being told that n is equal to 13. So everywhere we see an n in the equation, we're going to plug a 13 in its place. Drop everything else down. So straight down, including the notation. So drop our equal sign, drop t. Now on the left-hand side, that's just notation, so we're going to leave that alone. We're not going to do anything with it at all. And then on the right-hand side, we're going to type it in just exactly as we have it written down. Looks like we're going to get 81. So what this is saying is the 13th term, so the 13th number in the sequence is 81.